Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we're going to do our parking lot sale prep Chernobyl editions, what we've done before. Focused in on just the best deals so you can prep for the parking lot sale starting tomorrow. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and or hyping, maybe becoming a member. But just go over some quick rules. 3.6 Ronkin, that's what we've said in the past. But basically, a radiation symbol means that it's going to be less than 20%. A fire symbol means that it's equal to or greater than 30%. So those are the deals we're going to hone in on. I got the percentages off for everything that doesn't have a percentage off, and we will jump in. Parking lot sale starting tomorrow. Hopefully you have your list ready. We're going to avoid the top banners for the most part. Those are all 30% off or more. But some of them are low priced items. So we will only focus on the items that are over $10 and over 30%. So starting with the 5500 lumen 4-foot linkable LED light, Braun, 32% off at $17. Fire deal. And then the 24-foot LED outdoor string lights. Your choice of black or white. Don't discriminate. 35% off, $18. Of course, we have our banner deals, 35% off Icon, 30% off of Vulcan, 30% off of Doyle, 40% off all grants, and the Bauer starter kit. Just gave those all fires. We won't go into them, but you know what's there. Then, of course, the 30-inch 5-door mechanics cart down to $200, $199.99, $90 off, 31% off. Not the best deal we've seen, but a decent deal. The mini steel toolbox, super handy, only 21% off. Not bad, not terrible. 3.6 Rotkin. We have Predator, the 13,000 watt tri-fuel portable generator, 28% off. That's better than the generator days. $350 off, down to $950. So that gets a fire for sure. We will touch on some of the non-fires. 20% off the central machinery fans, 3 different choices there, down to $120. So that's barely at our range. 25% off of the Icon Meme Tool 2.0, 1/4-inch drive compact socket and bit set, 52-piece, 25% off is solid. Badlands ZXR, 23% off, down to $270. The 12,000-pound truck SUV winch. Fire deal for Bauer, $50 off, down to $100 for the 5-amp variable speed drywall sander, 33% off. Excellent deal. McGraw, barely at our limit, 20% off, down to $200, save $50. And then this bottom banner, great percentages off, but that 2.8 amp 5-inch random orbit palm sander, down to $20, normally $40, 50% off. Anything 50% off, anything over $10 is going to get a huge flame. Some of the HARBROs understands what it's like to be a huge flame. We keep going. That's page 1. Page 1, no radioactive. So great page 1. On to page 2, the top banner. There's 2 deals to keep note of. Well, they're all great, but 2 deals. The 500 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar work light from Braun, 33% off, $20, normally $30 compared to Milwaukee. So this is a fire deal. Great deal. And then the 3/8-inch drive magnetic socket holder at 35% off, normally $20, down to $13 compared to Snap-on gets its pixelated flame. Now, only one deal that we're looking at here, and it depends on what price they have in your store. I know those can vary, but online it was at $16.99. But if we're going with the $17.99, which it shows in the parking lot sale, it's a 23% off deal. Not a fire deal, but 23% off is solid. On US General, the 72-inch by 22-inch triple bank roll cap. A lot of radioactive here, so we're going to skip over those. Going into Pittsburgh, 28% off the 1.5-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump. Decent deal. But the Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack with rapid pump, 42% off. Down to $100, normally $169.89. That gets a fire, 42% off. That's better than unicorn days, assuming prices haven't gone up, but of course, for most floor jacks they have. The 42% off, we're still there. Then we have Daytona, the 3-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump, 34% off, down to $120, normally $180, save $60. So that is a fire deal. 6-ton heavy duty ratcheting jack stands, solid deal at 25% off, down to $60, normally $80. The Centec car battery jumper starter at 25%. But we do have, and we've missed a flame for the Viking. And this flame, we could actually take it away, but we're going to leave it because it's in the rules. The Viking 3400 peak amp pro portable car battery jump starter and power pack, 30% off, $120 off of $400. So down to $280, although this has been a few times as high as 40%. I don't know if they'll do it again, but they have had a 40% off of all Viking, I believe within the last 12 months. We have our Icon Alert, 22% off, nothing crazy, decent for Icon, but not fire, just nice. Maddox ball joint service kit for 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive vehicles, 44% off, better than the Maddox days. 44% off, $50, down from $90, so that gets a big flame again. We have the Viking 4 amp fully automatic microprocessor, battery charger maintainer, 25% off, down to $30. This is close to being a fire deal. The Pittsburgh Mechanics tool set, $40 off of $140, down to $100, 29% off. And then on the bottom page, but 43% off the 12 to 1 infrared laser thermometer, down to $13, flame for sure. And then the 12 volt portable tire inflator with LED, 35% off, $11, normally $17, gets a fire deal. On to page 3, getting a bit radioactive here. Of the top line, only the titanium high-speed steel drill bit set, 21 piece, 35% off, down to $13, normally $20. Skip over some of these radioactive deals. We do have, of course, the 15 amp, 42 pound breaker hammer, 20% off, so it's $100 off, down to $400. Have the 9 amp variable speed resurfacing conditioning tool, also $40 off, down from $140 down to $100, 29% off. Solid deal for Hercules. And then of course the buy a Hercules starter kit at $120, save up to $80 depending on the free choice of tool that you go with. But of course, a starter kit is an excellent way to get into a brand, so that will be a fire deal. And then of the Braun, we do have a couple fire deals here. The 8 volt cordless variable speed rotary toolkit, 40 piece, 30% off, down to $35 from $50. So good discount. And then the 5.7 amp 6-inch 8mm short throw random orbit DA polisher sander, $35, 46% off, normally $65. 46% off is nuts. Anybody gonna pick up this deal compared to Porter Cable? And then once again, we've missed one at 22% off. The 20 volt brushless cordless 7¼ inch circular saw tool, only $69.99, 22% off. And 22% off for the 3 amp variable speed oscillating multi-tool, down to $35. And the bottom row, we do have for the Tarp Bros 32% off the 11 by 19 foot heavy duty reflective all purpose weather resistant tarp, $17, only $25. And the Apache 2800 weatherproof protective case, 33% off, down to $20, normally $30. On to page 4. Nothing that amazing at the top. Few radioactive additions for the Predator, but we will focus on the 2500 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO Secure technology. $150 off. This is one of the newer ones. It says it right there. $150 off of $630, 24% off, down to $480. So within, if not better than the storage or than the Predator days, the Predator generator days, 24% off. We have the 5000 watt gas powered portable generator with CO Secure, 20% off, $100 off of $500, 20% right at our threshold, 26% off the 6.5 horsepower horizontal shaft gas engine, down to $110. The gas powered auger at 22% off, down to $180. The 2-inch 212cc gasoline engine semi-trash water pump at 28% off, down to $218. And then we have the 3200 PSI pressure washer, 20% off, down to $320. So no fire deals there, but all over 20%. Avanti, 20% off the airless paint primer and stain sprayer, down to $200. And then the handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer, 50% off, down to $35. So that gets a flame. We'll look at the Bauer pressure washers, 25% off the 1800 PSI portable pressure washer, down to $75. The 2000 PSI, this is the one I have, max performance electric pressure washer. It's pretty good. 21% off, down to $150. And then the 3000 PSI brushless max performance pressure washer, 21% off, down to $300. Portland 6.5 amp 9.5 inch electric pole saw, 31% off. It meets it. for fire deal, down to 48 bucks. The Drummond 1.6 horsepower submersible utility pump, 20% off, down to 58 bucks. No fire deals down here, although we do have the 98 cent mini pick and hook set, always great at that price. On to page 5. We do have another tarp for the Tarp Bros at 33% off, 12 by 20 foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant 12 mil tarp, 33% off, down to $30, normally 45 bucks. The 1/2-inch drive impact deep socket set from Pittsburgh, 37% off, down to 20 bucks, normally $32, definitely a fire deal. And then the peg type socket trace 3-piece, available in multiple colors and SAE and metric options. I can't list them all here, but 32% off, normally 25 bucks, down to $17. So great option there. 29% off the 10 by 20 foot portable car canopy, almost a fire deal, down to 100 bucks. The kinetic recovery rope, 20% off, down to $80. And then the Apex 12,000 pound winch with synthetic rope, 20% off, down to $480. Of course, Icon at this percentage, anything at this percentage is a fire deal, especially Icon though. The Icon professional mechanic screwdriver set, 8-piece, available in red or green, 35 down to 35 bucks, 36% off. So for sure, fire deal there for Icon. 5,000 UTV ZXR Power Sport winch, 23% off, down to 140. And some pre-mathed deals. The auto ramp set at 25% off from Pittsburgh, 60 bucks. And then the 1,000 pound capacity loading ramps, 29% off, down to $60. 750 pound capacity folding cargo carrier, 25% off, down to $90. Then we have the 6,500 pound capacity portable ramp set, 35% off, down to 45 bucks, normally $69.99. And we have a couple of Quinn deals, the 3/8-inch drive SAE metric master impact socket set, 48-piece, 25% off, down to 75 bucks. And the 1/2-inch drive SAE and metric master impact socket set, 61-piece, down to 130, 28% off. And then down here, this was an honorable mention. They're off by 2 cents, but I had to give it a flame. 41% off for a pry bar set, 4-piece, down to $9.98. Honorable mention because it's close enough to being double-digit priced item with over 40% off. Fire deal, price set. Pretty sure that's Pittsburgh. And then on to the last page. It is dangerous for our health, but we'll dive in. The no spill radiator funnel kit, 37% off, down to 25 bucks. Fire deal. We have 26% off the 1,200 pound capacity steel utility cart with removable sides, down to 140. Yukon 5-tier shelf, 33% off, down to 40 bucks. Titanium, the modular welding table, $40 off. So it's 21% off, down to 150. We have the 150 pound capacity foldable hand truck, 28% off, down to 25 bucks. Auto darkening helmets from Chicago Electric, 25% off, down to $30, and 24% off of the red design, down to $38. Got to be careful here. There's a lot of contamination. Hallmaster 18-inch step stool, 25% off, down to 30 bucks. Qualifies. We just radioactive Olive Fortress. Did we move things here? 25% off the full motion TV wall mount, down to 30 bucks. 28% off for the Black Widow professional gravity feed spray gun, down to 130. And then for the Earthquake XT 1/2-inch composite air impact wrench twin hammer, 1,200 foot-pounds, 35% off, down to 78 bucks. Fire deal, $42 off. And then we have the Merlin at $25 off, 25% off, down to 75 bucks. The heavy duty retractable air hose reel. And then just for the bottom line, they ended it with some fire bottom line. 40% off the digital tire inflator, down to 18 bucks. 50% off the HVLP gravity feed air spray gun, down to 15 bucks, normally 30 bucks. Heavy duty air compressor accessory kit, 20-piece, 33% off, down to $18. And the 3/8-inch by 50-foot rubber air hose, 1/4-inch MPT fittings, 34% off, down to $16.49. Fire deal. And those are the best deals going on during the parking lot sale at Harbor Freight starting tomorrow. So what to avoid? These are all the percentages off. Again, 20% and up is a doable deal. 30% and up is always a fire deal, especially since it lines up with the top banner lines. So 30% off and over is what we're looking for. But let me know what's on your list and what you're getting there. We're finally there. But again, I'll leave it at that, Harbros. As usual, let me know what you're going to get. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.